You're scrimping and saving for a down payment and trying to secure a mortgage, hoping to get the deed to your own home. But the process doesn't end there, and in a way, it doesn't begin there either. Along with passing from one party to another, deeds are also recorded. You've probably heard of a deed and know that it has something to do with owning property. But from there, it can quickly get confusing, and getting things wrong could have big consequences. We're eForms, the largest online database of fillable legal forms. In this video, we'll talk about deeds and the importance of recording them, specifically what deeds are, why they need to be recorded, and how the need for recording impacts the different kinds of deeds available. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to find a link to official deeds that you can fill out and modify to suit your needs. And check out eForms Deeds page to find specific rules for your state. So first, let's address what deeds are. A deed is a legal document that is used to transfer ownership of a piece of property from one party to another. It's the symbol of a person's right to use and enjoy land, an idea that the law calls title. In real estate terms, the person who is parting with the property is called the seller, but deed language usually refers to this person as the grantor. A deed is like a contract. Deeds don't have to be long or too complicated, and the exact requirements for what they contain vary from state to state. But in general, deeds must be written down, be signed by the grantor, describe the property involved, state that the property is being transferred, and confirm that the grantor is receiving something in exchange, usually called consideration. So what is recording and why do deeds have to be recorded? Recording involves providing the information contained in a deed to some sort of public agency, usually called a recorder or a registrar. Recording is done on a local basis with the county or local government agency where the property is located. The recording system exists because land is different from other kinds of property. It's usually pretty clear who owns personal property, like a table or a television, but different people can claim to own land, and this isn't always obvious just from looking at the property, especially with property in rural areas. Recording deeds allows someone who is thinking of buying property to see whether the seller actually owns the property. When it works well, the recording system can reveal what is known as defective title. You may also hear the phrase cloud on title. This means that there are claims or encumbrances on the property. This can include people who claim to own the land outright, but it can also include things like easements, in which someone claims to own the right to come and go across the land. What else should you know about deed recording? If you're buying or selling a home with the help of a real estate agent, it's likely that the agent will handle the deed recording process for you. But if you're doing it on your own, it is essential that you do it yourself. Be sure and take a look at the eForms Deeds page to find the right places to record a deed in all 50 states. Another thing to keep in mind is that recording is relevant beyond just the buyer and the seller. If you loan someone the funds needed to purchase a home and the home is used as collateral, that information becomes part of the deed. And if you later sell that debt to someone else, which is called a mortgage assignment, the information should also be recorded. You can also find mortgage assignment agreements for all 50 states on our website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about real estate law and related subjects.